If Android screen mirroring is not working on your Hisense 4K Google TV, you can't screencast because your TV doesn't pop up in the screen sharing option, or it fails to connect and keeps disconnecting, then let me show you some simple troubleshooting steps to fix screencast on your Hisense Smart TV. First of all, to make screen sharing work, your Android smartphone and your Hisense TV should be connected to the same Wi-Fi. And you'll also need to have the screen sharing app turned on. After that, your Hisense TV should pop up on your Android smartphone's device list. If screencasting is still not working, then in the next step, we will cold boot our Hisense TV and our router. For that, just unplug the power cable from both your TV and your router or modem. Then you'll need to leave them unplugged for about 3 to 5 minutes. And while you're waiting, also restart your smartphone. Then just plug the cable back in and try screencasting once again. If the problem persists, let's check for our TV's firmware update. For that, you'll need to go to All Settings. From there, System, About, then System Update. Now your TV will check for update, and if you see there's any update, then let your TV update first. And hopefully after that, screen mirroring will be fixed. If it's not, then this may be because of your network settings. To check if that's the issue, you can connect to a different Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot, then try screen mirroring. If it works on other network, then you'll need to troubleshoot your Wi-Fi. But if it doesn't work on any network, then your smartphone may not be compatible with your TV. In that case, you don't need to worry, because there's a better way to screencast your Android smartphone to your Hisense TV, which is by using the Google Home app. All you need to do is install the Home app on your smartphone. Then you'll need to log in with the same Gmail account that you're using on your smart TV. And after that, just go to Devices. And under Local Devices, you should see your Hisense Google TV. Just tap on that and select Cast My Screen. Confirm it from the pop-up and hit Start Now. And voila! Now your Android smartphone is being mirrored to your Hisense Google TV. So go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and enjoy.